here on the Mantri Cosmos site, okay, and we are looking the chill water systems basically, and we are having a water cool chillers here installed, okay, and we are having almost 4 chillers of water cool, each comprises of 350 TR each, okay, and we are having almost high capacity chillers, 350 each, means almost it is going 1400 chiller, 1400 TR capacity chiller if you just see all together. And almost the building is also very huge and massive. It is having 17-18 floors of this Mantri Cosmos Wipro Circle. So each chiller, if you see, it is having a TR of 350, and this is a this chiller system works on the basic principle of the VCC only, VCC cycle, vapor compression cycle, or vapor compression refrigeration cycle. In this, as I have told you many times, even I have told you in the class also, as it works on the VCC cycle or vapor compression refrigeration cycle, the low pressure, low temperature vapor refrigerant from the evaporator side goes to the compressor, where the refrigerant, low pressure, low temperature get compressed in a compressor, and the work is get done, and the refrigerant comes out as a high pressure, high temperature superheated vapor refrigerant only, and which goes to the condenser, okay, where goes to the condenser, and in condenser the refrigerant condenses, where condensation activity happens, which is the second stage of the vapor compression cycle, as we have studied in the class as well. And it is this condenser is basically a shell and tube type of heat exchanger, where shell is an outer casing and tubes are inside, where the refrigerant are there inside the tubes. Or sometimes we are having a water also, depending upon the manufacturing type or depending upon the type of condenser we are using, okay. So here low pressure, high pressure, high temperature superheated refrigerant after getting compressed in a compressor, this is the screw type of compressor, comes to the condenser, where condensation happens. Condensation means change of phase of a liquid, vapor to liquid, and the high pressure, high temperature superheated vapor refrigerant from compressor get condensed in the condenser, and condensation happens, and the phase of the refrigerant changes from vapor to liquid, as it is a shell and tube type of heat exchanger type. Shell is outer casing and the tubes are inside, and in the tubes we are having a water here, and surrounding the tubes we are having a chill water, normal water. So phase change occurs, and from that refrigerant changes to liquid with a medium pressure, medium temperature liquid refrigerant, and then it goes to the expansion device, where expansion of refrigerant happen. Expansion means the pressure get reduces, or we can say pressure reducing valve, or even we can say throttle valve or expansion device also. So medium pressure, medium temperature liquid refrigerant after getting condensed in a condenser goes to the expansion device, where pressure of the refrigerant reduces, and as the pressure reduces, temperature also reduces, and simultaneously the expansion device also works as a valve which can control the flow of the liquid also. Controlling valve also it can work, or you can say we can use this expansion device for controlling the flow of liquid also, okay, so that overflooding should not occur at the evaporative stage, which is the main chiller. Here we are using a chiller. This is complete evaporation, where the low pressure, medium pressure vapor refrigerant, liquid refrigerant from expansion device goes to evaporator, where evaporation happens. As this is also a shell and tube type of condenser type, but it is an evaporator. The phenomenon is reversed little bit, where liquid, medium pressure, medium temperature get evaporated here, as evaporator absorbs the surrounding heat, and the phase of the refrigerant changes from liquid to vapor, and simultaneously it leaves the cooling effect, and the water which is surrounding the coils of refrigerant becomes cool, and then it goes to the AHU as a through chill water pipes. So these are the chill water supply pipe, and this is chill water return pipe, okay, which you can see it is very cool, and these pipes are usually of cast iron, basically